Hello and welcome. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the 31-inch folding small computer desk, a perfect blend of functionality and modern design for your home office or study space. This rectangular desk, finished in a sleek black powder-coated finish, offers a space-saving solution with its innovative folding design, allowing it to be easily stored behind a door or under a bed when not in use. Weighing just 29.3 pounds, this lightweight yet sturdy desk can be effortlessly moved around, making it ideal for use as a computer desk, study desk, gaming table, or even a picnic table. With no assembly required, you can set it up or fold it down in seconds, thanks to the two metal buckle designs that ensure stability without any wobbling. Crafted from durable P2 particle board and a robust metal frame, this desk is waterproof, scratch-resistant, and easy to clean, providing a spacious surface for your laptop, books, and other essentials. Whether you're working, studying, or gaming, this desk is the perfect solution for small spaces or multi-purpose rooms. And remember, our dedicated customer service team is always ready to assist you with any questions or concerns within 12 hours. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.